Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna discuss about Galileo Galilei concept, which is very famous and useful during the solving the questions of JEE. According to the Galileo concept, अगर किसी बॉल को एक h height से free fall कराया जाए, that is u equals to 0, there is a ball follow a particular distance at a particular interval of time. The ratio is s1 is to s2 is to s3 is to s4, that is 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7. 7 and the so on. If we take s5 over here, then it will be s9. Okay, so अगर body move कर रहा है तो in the first second, in the first interval of time, it will be cover a distance of 5 meter, that is s1. All right, after that a body cover distance of, this will be s1. All right, after that a body cover s2 distance, that will be 5 into 3, that is 15 meter. After that s3, which will be cover 5 into 5, that is 25 meter. And then s4 equals to 7 5 is 35 meter. These are the distance traveled by the body in a particular second. In 1 second it will be, in 1 second, in first second it will be move 5 meter, and दूसरा सेकंड में ये 15 मीटर जाएगा, तीसरा सेकंड में 25 मीटर, एंड चौथा सेकंड में ये 35 मीटर जाएगा. The particular second we are talking about over here. So if we take a body, if we throw a body from a ground itself, all right, with having the initial velocity equals to 20 meter per second, so a body is goes up, and the velocity becomes 0 over here. All right, then it will be comes down. Okay, so if it when it is going up, अगर ये ऊपर जा रहा होगा तो it will be take a 10 meter distance, 10 meter distance in 1 second. All right, in 1 second. Okay, in 1 second. All right, and then another 10 meter distance, this is another 10 meter distance in another 1 second. 10 meter distance in 1 second. All right, these are two. But when the body is coming down, जब ये नीचे आ रहा होगा, तो it does not cover the same path, because the velocity over here is become at the topmost point become 0, and then if the body started free falling. If the body started free falling, it does not again follow the same distance. It doesn't mean that 10 मीटर चलेगा 1 सेकेंड में अगला बार आने में, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा. It will be take a different path. Let us take just like if a body is falling u with initial velocity 0. All right, so in first second it will take a 5 meter in 5 meter in 1 second, and then it will be take 15 meter in another 1 second. Why it so happen? Because it is when a body is free fall with initial velocity 0 under the gravity, it will be cover of 5 meter in first second, and it will follow this ratio. It will follow initially it moving 5 meter, then 5 into 1, that is 5 meter. All right, and then then the next second it will be moving 3 into 5, that is 15 meter. If you want to prove that, I will show you. Let us take an example, that is s is equals to ut plus half at square, in which u equals to 0. So we just have to putting the u equals to 0 into t plus half. Acceleration is 10. Let us take g equals to 10 meter per second square. So over here 10 into t, then t square, that is 1 second. So you just found that s is equals to 5 meter per 5 meter you have to cover the distance. All right, okay, and then if at the next second if you are calculating in next second, you just found s is equals to ut plus half at square. All right, so if you calculate the distance, initial velocity is 0 and t equals to 1 plus half acceleration is 10, and the t, let us take the whole distance, whole time, that is 2 second, 2 square. So what is the distance it will be moved? That is 1 by 2 into 10 into 4, that is 2, and that is 20 meter. This is the 20 meter is from the top to bottom, and it will be move 5 meter in initial 1 second. So the remaining distance it will be moved, that will be 15 meter per 15 meter second. All right. So when a body moves up, it will be cover same distance, the same interval, that is acceleration due to gravity 10 meter 1 second and 10 meter 1 second. But when the body is free falling, Galileo experiment says when a body is free falling with initial velocity 0, it will be follow this ratio, that is 1 is to 3 is to 5 is to 7 is to 9, that is in 1 second, in the first second it will be move 5 meter, 5 meter. Then after that multiple of 5, that is 3, in next second it will be move 3 into 5, that is 15 meter per second. All right, let's take a question that will be make more clear to you. all right, तो इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा है कि एक टैप से 3 ड्रॉप निकल रहा है, फर्स्ट ड्रॉप, सेकेंड ड्रॉप, थर्ड ड्रॉप. सो तो व्हेन द थर्ड फोर्थ ड्रॉप इज लिविंग फ्रॉम द टैप, इट विल बी फाइंड the ratio. We have to find the ratio of separation of drop, first, second, third when the fourth drop is leaving from the tap. So let's draw the tap first, then okay, then okay, just take a first drop, then second drop, third drop, and fourth drop. Okay, this is the t equals to 0 scenario. This is t equals to, and this question is actually asked in JEE means previous year. Okay, so t equals to 1 second, t equals to 2 second, and t equals to, this is the t equals to 3 second. This is the fourth drop actually is going on this. But from the, if we taking the Galileo experiment in this concern, if first we do with the Galileo experiment, then after we solve this question through the actual process. All right, so if we take during the first second, all right, this distance will be the 5 meter. After that this distance, it will be, because the second time interval the body moves, if the body is free falling, क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ पे ड्रॉप जो है गिर रहा है, फ्री फॉल हो रहा है, फ्री फॉल तो गैलीलियो के हिसाब से अगर बोला जाए तो फर्स्ट ड्रॉप जो है वो 5 मीटर गिरेगा, 1:3:5:7:9 का रेशियो में चलता है, ऑर्डर का रेशियो में. सो तो फर्स्ट सेकेंड में 5 मीटर चलेगा, तो सेकेंड ड्रॉप कितना डिस्टेंस चलेगा, तो दैट इज 3 into 5, दैट इज 15 मीटर. all right, for 15 meter. And the third drop का distance अगर हम निकाले, that is 5 into 5, that is 25 meter. So the ratio of the ratio of S1 is to S2 is to S3, that will be 25 is to 15 is to 5, that will 5 is to 3 is to 1. So तो एक लाइन में ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया थ्रू द गैलीलियो एक्सपेरिमेंट. बट इफ वी डन दिस क्वेश्चन थ्रू द एक्चुअल प्रोसेस, सो लेट अस डू दिस क्वेश्चन थ्रू बाय एक्चुअल प्रोसेस. दिस कॉल्ड एक्चुअल process. Actual process, let us take how much time it will be take to by doing actual process. Let us draw the tab first, then we have to solve it. 1 2 3 4th drop. Okay, in the first drop, t equals to 0, it will be t equals to 1, t equals to 2 second, and t equals to 3 second. Right? So in this particular height, this height, that is called h3. Let us take h3, that is equals to initial velocity is 0, this is equals to ut, it is u is equals to 0 into t, that is plus half g is downward, that is 10 into t square, that is x 1 second. So see, it will be 5 meter. All right, then after that we have to be taking this in account, this distance. If we taking this distance, the whole one, the whole distance, that is h2 equals to 0t plus half a t square, that is 2 square, that is equals to 25. I think 25 to 20, yeah, obviously 20. Okay, 20 meter. And finally we have to be taking this whole height will be h1, that is s equals to 0 into t plus half acceleration 10, and then what is the time, 1 2 and then 3 square, that is equals to 9, that is equals to 9, and that is equals to 45 meter. That is, this is whole distance is 45 meter. The whole distance is, sorry, and so whole distance is 45 meter. So over here, so the what is s1, so s1, okay. So after calculating this distance, whole the distance, we have to be subtracting the distances. We just getting, this is a 25 meter, and this will be the 15 meter, and this will be the 5 meter actually. So the ratio is s1 s2 and s3, s1 s2 and s3 will be 25 is to 15 is to 5, that is 5 is to 3 is to 1. So if you have to be go through the process, actual process and Galileo process. By using the Galileo process, the questions has been solved within a seconds, and the actual process, you just go through the all the distances first of all, and then after subtracting each and every distances, like h2 minus h1 and then h1 minus h2, then after getting the separation between that, and then you have to find the ratio. It is very useful process. If you apply in this examination, that will be very helpful for you, because in this type of question also it will be very useful, because you just directly comes to know that is when a body is free fall, it will, how much distance it will be covered in first second, how much distance it cover in fourth. I think it will be very helpful for you using this concept. All right, so if you have any kind of problem regarding this topic, just comment below. Till then, bye bye, see you.